Good morning, students. Continue sulfuric acid uses. Sulfuric acid used in manufacturing of fertilizers. Manufacturing of fertilizers. First point. Second point. Manufacturing of ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate. Third uses superphosphate. And other chemicals such as hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, etc. Second uses it is used a drying agent. Used a drying agent and preparations of pigments. Preparations of pigments and explosive, etc. Next, test for sulfate and sulfuric acid. Barium chloride react with the sulfuric acid means barium sulfate obtained. See the reaction. Barium chloride formula BaCl2 react with sulfuric acid H2SO4 gives that HCl will be removed. How many HCl? 2 hydrogen, 2 Cl. So write 2 HCl. Remaining BaSO4 barium sulfate. Which precipitate means white precipitate is obtained. Arrow mark down is called precipitate. Second one, lead sulfate react with the sulfuric acid means lead acetate CH3 COO twice PP. That lead acetate react with the sulfuric acid. What happened? Lead sulfate will be formed PpSO4. Remaining acetic acid found CH3 COOH. How many times? 2 times. So barium sulfate also white precipitate and lead sulfate also white precipitate. That is the exam side very important. 2 mark or 3 mark in 5 mark subdivision also asked. So carefully read the theory and reaction. Group number 17. That family name is the halogens group elements. Halogen central symbol is X. So X equal to fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So halogens are present combined form only. Combined form. One by one you see. And highly reactive also. Highly reactive. First one combined form, second one highly reactive. Fluorine main source. Fluorine main source plus of 4 are fluoride. And fluorine and other words also present. What are the other words means cryolite. And fluorophyte. Fluorophyte. The main source of chlorine. The main source of chlorine is sodium chloride. Where is available means SA. Next, bromide and iodide. Bromide and iodide also available in waters. Properties. Chlorine is highly reactive element. Chlorine is highly reactive and does not occur free state. Does not occur in free state. Does not occur free state. Next, preparations. Concentrated sulfuric acid react with chloride in the presence of manganese dioxide. Then concentrated sulfuric acid formula H2SO4 and chloride example sodium chloride. Manganese dioxide formula MnO2 and chlorine and sulfuric acid taken 4 times. Sodium chloride and sulfuric acid taken 4 times. What happened? Chlorine is obtained. Chlorine is obtained. Cl2 chlorine is obtained. Remaining manganese taken 2 chloride MnCl2 and removal of water molecule. How many hydrogen means based on manganese dioxide. Manganese dioxide having 2 oxygens, so released 2 H2O only. Released 2 H2O based on oxygens. Based on oxygen remaining NaHSO4. So how many is present means 4 2s are 8, remaining 4. Also sodium also 4. Sodium also 4. 4 2s are 8 and remaining 4 hydrogens and sulfate also 4. So sodium also 4 and hydrogen also 4. Sulfate also 4. Right front of you 4. Sulfuric acid taken concentrated only. Don't taken dilute. Next preparation oxidizing of hydrochloric acid. First one PpO2 react with HCl. That already you know Pp is the trivalent ion. So how many times you taken means 4 times will be taken because 2 oxygen also present. So what obtained means chlorine plus Pp also taken 2 chlorides PpCl2 remaining 2H2O remaining 2H2O. Second reaction MnO2 react with again 4HCl. So what obtain? Chlorine obtain plus MnCl2 plus 2H2O. Third reaction potassium permanganate react with HCl. Here how many HCl means 16 HCl 2 permanganate gives chlorine after balance. Next potassium taken 2 chloride. So 2 potassium means 2 chlorines and manganese also taken chloride. Here also 2 plus how many hydrogen means 16 hydrogens. Here also 8 oxygen present. So 8 H2O. Now balanced chlorine. Totally 16 Cl. Here 2 Cl. Here 4. 2 plus 4 6. Remaining 10. So front of you write 5. Here 2 Cl. Here 2 2s are 4. 2 plus 4 6, remaining 10. So 5 front of you write 5. Next, treated with the bilging powders. Bilging powder formula CaOCl2 react with HCl. What obtain? Chlorine obtain plus 2 hydrogen only. So releasing H2O, remaining CaCl2, calcium chloride obtain. Bilging powder again react with sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid formula H2SO4. So chlorine obtain plus H2O, remaining CaSO4. That is then oxidizing of HCl. Last two reaction bilging powders. Next, manufacturing of chlorine. That 5 mark side importance. 5 mark side important. Manufacturing of chlorine, 5 mark side important. Which process going on means Deccan process. Deccan process will be going on. Here, electrolysis of brine. Electrolysis of brine. That brine means sodium chloride only react. Electrolytic process. First, sodium chloride decomposition. Decomposition means that obtain positive charge. Sodium getting positive charge, chlorine getting negative charge. Next, water molecule. Hydrolysis means used water molecule. So here also H plus OH minus and Na and OH reacting. Third reaction Na plus OH minus. So what obtain? Sodium hydroxide obtain. Sodium hydroxide obtain. Next, cathode reaction. Electrolyte means cathode, anode, electrolyte present. The electrolyte is completed. Now cathode. Cathode means hydrogen ions accept electron. So what obtain? Hydrogen obtain. So hydrogen plus hydrogen gives hydrogen molecule. Hydrogen accept electron means hydrogen produce. 2 hydrogen means hydrogen molecule obtain. Next, anode reaction. Next, anode reaction. Chlorine releasing of one electron. So chlorine atom obtain. Chlorine atom react with another chlorine atom means chlorine molecule obtain. So chlorine will be prepared. That process is called that electrolyte, cathode, anode. So process is called electrolytic process. Process is called electrolytic process. Now started Deccan process. Now started Deccan process. Deccan process first reaction, hydrochloric acid react with air. Air also having oxygen molecules. What temperature used means 400 degrees Celsius. Catalyst Cu2 Cl2. How many hydrochloric acid means 4. So what obtain means that releasing water molecule. How many means here 4 hydrogen, 2 oxygen. So releasing 2 H2O. Releasing 2 H2O. Remaining chlorine. How many chlorine is obtained means 4 chlorine. So front of you write 4. Book is not available. You have to write. Chlorine is gas. So air mark above. Cuprous chloride. That catalyst react with Cu2Cl2 react with oxygens. So combination reaction. So oxygen 2 times. So cuprous chloride also 2 times. So what happened? Cu2 Cu2 OCl2. Front of your right 2 Cu2 OCl2 react with hydrochloric acids. 2 hydrochloric acid will be taken. So what happened? That releasing amount of water. How many oxygen? 1 oxygen. How many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen. So releasing amount of water molecule H2O only released. Remaining CuCl2. So Cu 2 times, Cl 4 times. So front of the right 2 times. Remaining balance. Last reaction CuCl2 2 times. Means what happened? That chlorine will be obtained. Remaining Cu2 Cl2. So chlorine, manufacturing of chlorine is obtained.